Everybody, welcome back to the Broudy Sales Team YouTube channel. My name is Tom Rinaldi, one of the outside sales and applications guys here.
My name is Ed Perry. I do inside sales.
And today we're going to do a quick look at two VAV controllers, and we're going to compare and contrast them. And we are going to see, the main reasons why you pick one or the other. So here's my choice. I have a Honeywell Optimizer VAV controller MSTP. What's yours?
Mine is a Honeywell Optimizer VAV controller MSTP with Bluetooth.
Ooh.
I don't know if
big difference here. We got that. There we go.
Just a little guy.
A little antenna. So why would I want Bluetooth on my VAV controller? This one is probably cheaper, right? It's probably less money, right?
A little bit, yeah.
But how much? We're talking
$3.
Literally $3.
$3.
So anything under $10, let's be real, doesn't have much of a difference. So the Bluetooth version has become much more popular for that reason. What can you do with the Bluetooth?
So I think the biggest thing is you can balance the VAV wirelessly. You don't need to get up there,
plug into the bus,
plug it in.
So mine, the non-Bluetooth, you would have to use the global balancing tool. You would have to be plugged into the bus, and you would have to use your laptop.
Yeah.
Yours, you can balance via Bluetooth on your phone. You can have your balancer download the app, send him on his way, jump onto the Bluetooth, and balance as he goes. Like we said, the difference in price is so minimal that you'll see reflected in popularity and in our stock. The Bluetooth version is much more popular.
Yeah, I mean, I can't really think of a reason why you wouldn't.
Maybe some strange government site that doesn't want Bluetooth or something.
Yeah.
That's why we're keeping still some of the nons in stock, but most people are just taking the Bluetooth option. You'll see the app continue to be built out as we go. Commissioning, troubleshooting, wire checkout, stuff like that will be coming. The Bluetooth and the non-Bluetooth also exist in the unitaries, Optimizer unitaries. And right now that's used for the wire checkout tool. But again, that'll be built out as we go. Still very small price difference. So if I'm a sales guy and I'm working at a Honeywell contractor, I am bidding the Bluetooth VAV controller all the time since the price difference is so minimal. And since we have more in stock, but also your field guys are going to have an easier time when Mr. Balancer shows up. Send him on his way with the app. Everybody knows how to use a phone and Bluetooth these days, so they can balance that way. Although they look very similar, mine here lacks that fun antenna on the bottom that is going to allow Bluetooth connectivity. So our choice, the Honeywell Optimizer VAV with Bluetooth. You can check all of these out. You can see pricing and stock on our web store. You can also see a lot of the Smart Guy videos on Tech Center, VP Tech Center.
Matt and Frank.
Some may be on our YouTube channel, but most are behind Tech Center.
Yeah.
So check us out there. Be sure to
like and subscribe
to us because we like to have fun here. And that is about it. Catch you guys later.